In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to achieve perfection by rotating and flipping images in Wix. Wix is a popular platform for creating beautiful websites, but to make your website stand out, it's essential to tweak visual elements, like images, to create stunning effects. One such often underused trick is rotating and flipping images, which I'll help you to master today. The first step in our image manipulation process is, of course, selecting the image. As you navigate around your Wix website, identify the specific image that you'd like to work with. Once you've located the image, single-click on it to select it. It's simple as that. Now you're ready to make changes to your image. Next up, you'll need to locate the Edit Image option. Hover your cursor around the selected image and a bunch of options will appear. Among these options lies Edit Image, the one we're after. Give it a click and a new set of options will spring up. This time, select Crop and Extend. This is where the real magic happens. At this stage, you'll be presented with a host of controls, but don't get overwhelmed, as we are only interested in one, the flip icon. The flip icon, as the name suggests, can be used to create a mirror or inverted effect. This is where you'll be able to bring some uniqueness to your images and ultimately your website. Want to add an element of surprise to your image? Flip it horizontally. As you navigate through the crop and extend interface, identify the Flip Horizontally option and click on it. This action will essentially create a unique mirror effect on your image. Just like that, you have altered the perspective of your image. Alternatively, should you wish to completely invert your image, select the Flip Vertically option. This will turn your image upside down and can be used to create interesting effects or highlight different components of the image in an unconventional way. Taking it a notch further, you can even manipulate images that are used as backgrounds on your Wix website. To do this, first select the background by simply clicking on it. Once the background is selected, look for the Change Background or Settings options. Depending on the variant of Wix interface you are using, you would find one of these options. Upon clicking on this, you will find the same flipping options we discussed earlier. So there you go. With these steps, you now have the ability to revolutionize the look of your images by rotating and flipping them in Wix. Try out these techniques for yourself and unlock an exciting realm of creative possibilities for your Wix website.